ngiyamthanda uRelevance because uyile player leli even no engezona istriker kodwa uyathanda ukukora uyathanda ukassist
uyakenjoya lo
yes so njengamanje currently unama goals awu10 nama assists awu8 so uyabona ukuthi utholela iplayer elikwaziyo ukuthi mase kubalwa nami ngifuna igama lami libe khona nane point lesithathu iwork rate kaRele bafethu nanokuhlanipha uRele is a very intelligent player shy high pressing uyakwazi ukucracker back futhi asize defensive yabo so ifootball knowledge awareness umfuke ngiyalazi ibhola bafethu ngeke simdlela umono uyalazi ibhola yabo awareness of the ball uyazi ukuthi mangilithola ngifuna ukwenzani Sanibona bafethu and welcome back to another video bafethu si starting 11 bafethu sanamukela igama lami nguSanele aka uDonso Nkabi so bafethu namhlanje sizokhuluma ngokuthi kwenzakalani emakethe so I transfer highly rated reliable Hile Mufokeng so bafethu before we get into the video please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at starting11xi so bafethu ngihamba noSibuda Sibuda hamba kanjani
yo what's up man
ugrand
mnandi maswidi
hayi nazi indaba ezimnandi mfethu uRele Mufokeng usesayinile eBelgium asingene evideweni simhalalisela umfana siyambongela because South Africa locally ayikho icup engenayo yabo it's only Africa la angakazanga khona but usengabuya later uphinde kuqedele lokho
mafukwane fana lapha kuOrlando Bacania simbonile edlala kakhulu ngize ngabuka enye ama video akhe eqeda ngedefender leMamelodi Sundowns lapha
kwakuuzungu yes kwi-final
amsika kuyishibobo laphayana emfusha walishaya sewa kwabhala ukuthi hayi uzokhumuleka kodwa imoment enkulu yakhe kwakuyileyo kona siyambongela congratulations to Fanfana ilimbizile izwe laseBelgium izeke waphuma ukuthi ubizwe enye team yaseEurope kade kufuneka ukuthi abizwe eEurope kodwa kungenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela soiteam yaseBelgium ke imtestile iyamtesta lapha ideal imayilana lapho pass medical test ikona kuzofinalize ideal finalize ideal sayine then ngamahlebezi esimeni senkece engathi team akhambe kahle ngathi uzobhala u392k 392,000 ngeviki asazi kodwa leyo ayikaka finalize validate kahle ukuthi kuhamba kanjalo kodwa yena iincome yakhe izoba xaxa kakhulu so amanye ama team ayagaina amanye ayaluza cause
ngeviki
ube umdlali beyithanda ukuthi idependele kuye iPirates yabo so ukuphasa medical test engakusho naye futhi ukuthi uma sefika edlala la into angafocusa kuyo engaba istrength engaba istrength sakhe into engenza ukuthi abe on kuma games abe starter ukufocusa kule lokhujana engisanda kuyibuka iperformance yakhe yokushaya amaphasi abe washaya ucollect ibhola udlale ngemuva mangabe akiyeki phambili uyahlehla ucollect ibhola ukhipha amaphasi kuma runners akho it's between ama winger noma istriker yabona mayingayimasterisha leyo lokhuja malifika futhi ithuba lokuthi atapete akhipha ibhola akhipha iphasi yanokusho izinto zakhe zizohamba kahle then leyo ustriker ke emagolini angayizama but ile ezoba unumber 1 enza ukuthi ucoach amthande nama players azomthanda thiwe wow iplayers eSouth Africa
so ilokho ufuna ukusho mayelana noMfokeng king of ma 2000 president of ma 2000
president of ma 2000 sihalalisela singabeka ngaloko ngibonile vele privilege ukuthi bekunama comment athi inzondo engaka bhuti umdala ngaka wazwamnyanya at the end of the day umsebenzi in no kwesinye isikhathi uyayicheck ireality uma ngabe istandard sebhola siphezulu bese ubheka umdlali indlela performa ngayo then ianalyst yami izoqhamuka based on that not umdlali ohlulekayo ukudlala ibhola unalo ikhono kakhulu futhi kusukela esemncane sadevelopwa phela wathatha wangena kwi-development umfukengi ngenxa yekhono lakhe up until wafika sizongena ngelinye ilanga kwi-development yamfukengi ukuthi kuzafike la ekhona waqala kanjani yeah
I know ake nami ngibeke amabili amathathu simbongela umfana nanokuthi ngiyibona kanjani le deal. Okay bafethu mina ngibona ukuthi this is a really good deal for Mfukeng bafethu. Ngizoqala nje sithi ukuthi Halamuzi lapha eBelgium. Bafethu iBelgium has been launching ama careers for African players. So iBelgium bafethu fana ukuthi ilakhunje it's a bridge to Europe yabo. So for kule case kaMfukeng yabo. So Belgium has been launching ama African players and is a proven part. Iyona indlela esebenza kakhulu uma ufuna ukuye eEurope. So ama African players especially for Nigeria Daniel I'm a coach so I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Bese kuba Sunday Olise. Nase there is this Ivorian guy uYaya Toure. Ya naye emsebenzelile nala eSouth Africa masikhumbula kahle ukhona lo mjitabazi bamenzela ingoma uba Aaron Mokoena ke wadlala naye eBelgium noMay Mahlangu naye ke wadlala eBelgium and recently abantu umuntu oke wadlala kule club le iRoyal USMG le club le sign uReal uPesitao kodwa yena uPesitao waye kwi loan from ilokhunje Brighton yeah so wafika laphana waba yiplayer of the season washaya ama goals awu 13 nama assists awu 13 khona ufuna ukusho ngoPesi
hayi bengifuna ukusho ukuthi iqiniso leyo ukuthi akusukeleki nje ukuthi umdlali wala uzosukeleka nje ayosayinwa iBarcelona khona la qala for
Barcelona yeah so bafethu le club le lama club aseBelgium ane smart recruitment so athatha ama promising players or ama promising talents banike i-tactical development so i-club le Royal USMG iya develop kakhulu ama player so bese bebanike experience eEurope babanike kanjani experience eEurope by exposure yokudlala ini iChampions League leqeda kwena yini iPSG yes izidlala neArsenal kwifinal so bafethu le environment izo expose umfukengi kwi realistic chance ukuthi adapt akwazi ukuadapt adlale regularly yabo nama high chances ukuthi aye kwi top 5 ama leagues top 5 so kumele izibonakalise ke la kulama team la because medlala iChampions League ilazo thola khona exposure yabo so it's a really stepping stone so for Mfukeng so bafethu mina mangichecka iprofile kaMfukeng izoyisutha i-transition leyo ukuthi aye lapha because i-competitive lapha
usho kanje
yeah izoyisutha
okusho ukuthi ke ngamanye amazwi uzobuya ngiyamthuma mina ukuthi azoyisho lento esihlezi kisho ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuperforma kamnandi kahle kwi-Champions League
yes
yeah
yes so bafethu ngizobala ama points awu 5 nje I think la azomsiza umfukeng ukuthi a-excel a-performa below real times 10 esimazi yabo so udrebula nane speed ne 1 versus 1 skills anawo ureal ilokhunja umfukeng lapha kwi-Pirates kuyagijima kudlala so i-pace unayo yabo yeah unayo ne-ball control nanokuthi njengoba usuchazile nje ukuthi wabulala uZungu lapha kwi-final kwakungama dying minutes lapha wakora igoli.
Yeah.
Then une-creativity then i-goal involvement. Ngiyamthanda uRayleigh Fitz because uyile player leli even no engezona istriker kodwa uyathanda ukukora, uyathanda uku-assist.
Yeah, uyaku-enjoy lo.
Yes. So njengamanje currently unama-goals awu-10 nama-assist awu-8. So uyabona ukuthi utholela iplayer elikwaziyo ukuthi mase kubalwa nami ngifuna igama lami libe khona. Nane point lesithathu iwork rate kaRayleigh bafethu nanokuhlanipha. uRayleigh is a very intelligent player. Shy high pressing uyakwazi ukucracker back futhi asize defensive yabo. So i-football knowledge awareness umfuke ngiyalazi ibhola bafethu. Ngeke simdlela umono uyalazi ibhola yabo. Awareness of the ball uyazi ukuthi mangilithola ngifuna ukwenzani. And uRayleigh i-pointless 4 versatile, is a versatile player yabo. Ungakwazi ukumdlala i-left wing invert ungakwazi ukumdlala i-left wing invert, then ungakwazi ukumdlala as a 10 yabo, attacking midfield. Then yokugcina bafethu i-point engibonayo ukuthi limenza ukuthi abe i-ideal candidate for ukudlala eBelgium ukuthi usemncane yabo, nane mentality yakhe uRayleigh yabo. Semncane uRayleigh une strong mentality, so and uRayleigh emncane ngaka ena 21 sedlalela iBafana Bafana uqeda kudlala kwi-World Cup, he's been tested, he knows the pressure, so i-mentality yaRayleigh intswempu kakhulu. So mina la ngibona khona ukuthi kumele improve uRayleigh ukuze ekwazi ukuba stand out, akwazi ukuthi ashaye i-player of the season njengoPercy Tau ayishaya eSouth African khona le Belgium yabo. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi into anga-improve kuyona i-physicality yabo. Mele bemfaka ama-gym umfana yabo. Yeah, mele bemfaka ama-gym because akudlalwa lapha wonke umuntu ufuna ukushine, so i-competition i-tough, so bengavele bemphushe nje, so mele bemfake kwi-gym yabo for the first maybe 6 months. Angene ejimini nje umfana alokhu nje kwi-strength sakhe. That is the only thing mina ngicabanga ukuthi kumele improve kuyona. Overall bafethu this is a good deal. Umfana uzobehleka to the bank. Yeah, simfisela inhlanhla. Congratulations President yama 2K. Sibukhona ufuna uku-add?
Hayi no, akukho okutheni. Siyambongela uMafukwane.
Yes, sikubongela mfethu hambe kahle eBelgium bafethu
sirepresent, hayi ukuthi urepresent iOrlando Pirates.
Hayi akasena umdlalo wePirates, akasena.
Urepresent
akasena. Yabonga bese Belgium nje urepresent iSouth Africa.
Zonke
iAfrica futhi nothi iSouth Africa iAfrica.
Yeah,
asahlangene nePirates.
Ngempela.
Ayikho nje into emhlanganise nePirates. Akekho kuyiloan.
Shothi i-buyback clause ayikho.
Hayi, ngazi. Because even iSchool of Excellence ukuze ukhuluma ne-development, even iSchool of Excellence naso sinayo share.
Oh yeah.
Deals khona bakutholayo bakuhlafunayo. So bafethu iyo likibonana nje bafethu siyaphithizela, so lesiphithizela nje sikhona. Congratulations Mfukeng, danke siyabonga.